You've got wisdom to share, and it is not doing anyone any good to just keep it inside you. So let me help you get it out there. I'm Amanda Horvath, and on this channel, I help eliminate the obstacles to getting you sitting where I'm sitting right now, in front of the camera, sharing your message with the world. So if you're looking to use video in your strategy this year, and you want to do it in a way that actually aligns with your energy so it feels fun and easy, then be sure to subscribe and check out the helpful resources that are linked in the description below. I remember feeling like I was going to explode with all the insights that were in my head, and I just wanted to get them out there. The people around me really didn't care about them. My friends, my family, significant others, all of those things. They were kind of sick of hearing them for the zillionth time, and I felt like I was dying inside, just wanting to get it out to people so that it could actually make an impact. Can I get an amen? Is this you? Go ahead and drop a comment below letting me know if you resonate with that. Just because there are not people in your life right this second that value what you have to share does not mean that it is not valuable. You need to stop barking up the wrong tree and wasting your energy on people that do not care about what it is that you have to say, and start getting in alignment to attract the tribe that is dying for the information that you have to share, so that you, my friend, can finally make the impact that you dream of. Okay, great, but how do I do that? The secret to making an impact online is getting out of your own way and stepping into the identity of being an online influencer and course creator. Before you leave, hear me out. Right now, you might feel like a weed blowing in the wind. You want to create a reel, so you do. But wait, I need a website. Oh wait, maybe there's this thing called an email list that I need to be setting up. Enter your procrastination method here. It's not the tactics that are your problem. It's the fact that you are scared to step up and own your wisdom. I know it seems harsh, but come on, it's kind of true. You'd rather not start, because if you start and fail, then you know that your dreams aren't going to happen. And so you don't start. I know, because I was once there too. So how did I move beyond it? I followed a pro that had already achieved the dreams that I am looking to achieve, and this changed everything. Which pro do you ask? Amy Porterfield. If you follow this channel, I sound like a broken record because I'm kind of obsessed. And here's why. I took on her identity. I took the steps that she told me to take. I did things her way, and it worked. I needed to borrow the identity of a true course creator before I could embody it myself. And it all came down to taking one simple action. And this is the secret, so listen up. I signed up for Amy Porterfield's course, Digital Course Academy. I remember the moment that I clicked purchase. I walked out of my room, and I was sharing a house with my sister. At the time, we were roommates, and I embarrassingly said, I bought another course. But something felt different this time. It felt aligned. I had clarity and direction within a moment of clicking purchase, and all I needed to do was trust. Now back to you. If you're ready to make a scalable impact online, you need to learn how to do it. You need to walk in the shoes of someone who has already done it in the past. Put your ego aside, admit that you can't do this alone, and empower yourself by following someone who has. If this video is speaking to you, I want to give you a specific action step right now to start stepping into this new identity of being an online influencer and course creator. Amy Porterfield is doing a temporary boot camp. It's a pop-up boot camp for only $47, where she is going to help you get started on your path to making a scalable online impact through digital courses. This bootcamp is a 3-week experience where you will be handheld through the process of the 7 key decisions that you need to make in order to step into this new identity of being an online course creator. Her steps worked for me, and so I feel fully confident in promoting this to you. How long have you dreamed of making a big impact? Are you ready to start today? If so, head on down to the description and take advantage of this extremely affordable option to kickstart your journey. You've got this. Quick note, if you're watching this video months or weeks after it has been released, then you have missed the bootcamp, but I am here to help. Go ahead and shoot me an email with the subject line Amy Bootcamp and describe your situation of where you're at, and I will offer personal guidance for your next steps. All right, that is it for today. Peace out. I will see you in the bootcamp or in my inbox, depending on when you're watching this video. Let's get you up and running. Peace out.